How to install Startup Show on Firestick. So step 1, install the Downloader app. Downloader is the easiest tool for sideloading Android APK files on a Firestick. If you already have Downloader installed, you can skip to the next section. So from the Firestick home screen, select Find or the search icon, type Downloader, select the Downloader app from the search results, choose Download or Get, wait for the installation to finish, then do not open it yet if permissions still need to be enabled. Now enable installation from unknown sources. Go to the Firestick home screen, open Settings, select My Fire TV, choose Developer Options, select Install Unknown Apps, find Downloader, and switch it on. And then download the Startup Show APK. Once Downloader is installed, allowed to install unknown apps, you can use it to get the Startup Show APK. So open the Downloader app, allow storage permissions if prompted, select the URL field on the Downloader home screen, enter the official Startup Show download URL or the APK link supported by your legitimate provider. Select Go, wait for the APK file to download. Be careful with random APK website. And lastly, install the Startup Show on Firestick. When the install prompt appears, select Install, wait for the installation process to complete, select Done if you want to delete the APK file first, or select Open to launch Startup Show immediately.